Alright friends, let's take a look at the squat swing. Most people just do regular swings, but you want to mix up your workouts all the time. You always want to change how you're playing. Keep that brain challenged. Alright, so if we start off with our kettlebell here, it's a little different than our regular swing. Let's look at a regular swing. Regular swing, here we go. That's the regular swing. We're going to do it a little differently. We're going to squat down when it goes up. So it's going to look like this. One more. So, squat swing, it actually gets a lot more dynamic for the hamstrings and the glutes. Give it a go.